Fina collect Big Brother Naija money go disown her family. Fear who no fear people. So Fina been disown her family last year after when her papa complain talk say she no dey help the family. Allegedly. And una remember say Fina been drag Big Brother Naija inside Kpotokpoto talk say they no pay her money complete. After when dem wire her the money, now she waka straight go deny her papa name. Fina wey get liver to drag Big Brother Naija wey still chop liver to disown her family. We for no dey sure cause say she be dey talk bad about very dark man, but we no dey carry our ratted president play. Fina wey disown her family last year, this year she wan collect compensation for her sister. But guess what? Dangote people join Fina go settle with her sister papa. Follow my